One cold winter's day, a huge snowstorm blew across the land. The wind howled and snowflakes danced in the air, covering everything in ice. Tiana, the brave princess of the bayou, was busy in her kitchen making gumbo when she heard a strange noise outside. She rushed to the door and gasped in surprise. Her beautiful bayou, with its warm waters and swaying trees, was now covered in thick ice. The trees sparkled like glass, and the swamp's creatures shivered under the freezing cold. Tiana knew something was wrong. She quickly ran to Mama Odie's house. Mama Odie was the wise, magical woman who lived deep in the swamp. Tiana knocked on her door. "Mama Odie," Tiana called. "Something terrible has happened to the bayou. It's frozen solid, and the magic is gone." Mama Odie, who was as old as time itself, stood up from her chair and looked out the window. She frowned. "The magic of the bayou is frozen," she said in her soft, wise voice. "This is the work of a powerful force, something I've never seen before. Only someone with strong magic can break this spell." Just then, a shimmering light appeared in the sky. The air grew colder, and Tiana turned around to see a beautiful woman with long, glowing hair, dressed in a sparkling blue gown. It was Elsa, the Snow Queen. "Elsa," Tiana said, smiling. "What are you doing here?" "I felt the magic from this bayou," Elsa explained. "The cold has reached even the deepest parts of the land. I came to help." Mama Odie looked at Elsa with curiosity. "You must be the one who can help restore balance. You have the power to control ice, but the bayou's magic is different. We will need both of your powers to save it." Elsa nodded, and Tiana agreed. Together, they set out on a journey through the frozen bayou. The trees were so still that it felt like the world had stopped. The frogs, fireflies, and all the animals of the swamp were trapped under the thick ice, unable to move or speak. As they walked, Elsa used her magic to gently melt the ice. But with each step, the cold came back even stronger. "It's not enough," Elsa said sadly. "This magic is too powerful for me alone." Tiana had an idea. "Mama Odie's magic is in the heart of the bayou. If we can reach it, maybe we can find a way to stop the cold." With Elsa's help, they climbed to the highest point in the bayou, where Mama Odie's magic was strongest. But as they reached the top, a freezing wind blew them backward, and a dark, icy creature appeared in front of them. It was the spirit of winter, the one who had caused the storm. "You cannot stop the cold," the spirit hissed. "It is my gift to the world." Elsa stepped forward, her hands glowing with ice and snow. "The cold may be powerful, but so is the warmth of love and friendship. Together, we can bring back the light." Tiana took Elsa's hand. "And we can't let the bayou stay frozen forever. The animals need it. The magic needs it." The spirit laughed, but Elsa's magic grew brighter, and Tiana's heart filled with hope. The two of them stood together, their powers combining to form a beautiful wave of warmth and light. The ice began to crack, and the cold spirit shrieked as it was lifted into the sky. It disappeared into the clouds. With a final burst of magic, the bayou was restored. The trees unthawed, the waters flowed again, and the creatures of the swamp cheered with joy. Mama Odie's magic was free, and the bayou was alive once more. Tiana and Elsa smiled at each other, knowing that by working together, they had saved the bayou. The ice had been broken, and the magic was back. As the sun set, Elsa began to say goodbye. "I must return to the north," she said. "But I'll never forget the bayou and the friends I made here." Tiana hugged Elsa. "Thank you for helping us, Elsa. You're always welcome here." And with that, Elsa disappeared into the snowy sky, leaving behind a little bit of her magic to keep the bayou safe forever.